y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful evening. So first, let me say welcome. My name is Nikki. I so appreciate you being here. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, especially if you love any type of beauty, lifestyle, home decor, pet, candle, snack, just any kind of unboxing, because we do it all here. And we always have a great time with live streams and giveaways. And speaking of giveaways, we do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. We have our holiday appreciation and our holiday thrift bag giveaway. So those both will be linked down below. And as you can see, we're going to be unboxing my Boxy Premium for December 2019. So I will put a link down to BoxyCharm if you would like to check them out. The premium is $35 a month, and you were to receive, I think, 5 to 6 or 6 to 7 full-size products. And last month was the first month, and it was amazing. I loved it. So I can't wait to see, because I know that there are quite a few variations for it this time. So curious to see what I got. So we're gonna dive in. Like I said, don't forget about the giveaways. Please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. That does help me out. Otherwise, let's get into this bad boy and see what I got for December 2019. So you open it up and it says BoxyCharm Premium. Hello, Charmer. And then you can see it has the bubble wrap. We have a card. So it looks like a whimsy is the theme. That's actually really cute. I knew there were going to be variations. Y'all, 30, can you guys see that? 33. Variation 33. Already in its 2nd month. This bubble wrap. So this is what I see. Okay, so I'm gonna actually start with the product that I selected, because you can now with BoxyCharm for your Boxy Luxe, your Boxy Premium, or just the base box, the regular BoxyCharm, you can select one product every month. So I actually selected for my Boxy Premium for December, the Bite Beauty Nighttime Lip Therapy. And this is it right here, because I thought this, especially this time of year, would be something great to be able to put on my lips at night when I go to bed and wake up, and it'll be all nice and supple and soft and So this is the Bite Beauty Agave Plus Nighttime Lip Therapy. A deeply hydrating overnight lip mask is in a game-changing balm to oil formula for more nourished and supple lips overnight. This lip therapy is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, infused with our chamomile bergamot dream scent. And this is $22. So, out the box. It has the same, what is that? There's something on it. Okay, it came out. So there you can see the bite like normal with their products, and agave. Oh, how cute. It's got like the little spoon. Ooh, what did it say? Chamomile bergamot? I'm almost picking up like bergamot and almost a little bit of like citrus, like a sweet lemon. So that's what it looks like. So balm to oil. I'm excited to start using this tonight. So item number 1. All right, and then what do we have? Oh, Natasha Nona lip liner pencil. A lip lining pencil for perfectly defined lips. Natasha's lip liner is highly pigmented and has a creamy texture for easy application and comfortable wear. $18. And this is in dark orange. So let's see what it looks like. So kind of a basic pencil. Is it like pencil? It is. It's pencil. That's actually not as dark as I expected it to be. But I tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead because I really just don't use lip liners. I know I probably should, but I just really don't. So I'm gonna put this in our holiday appreciation giveaway. I told you guys to keep watching the videos because I would be adding stuff. So if you want a Natasha Nona, make sure you enter the holiday giveaway. So that will be in there. And then we have, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. I have one of this, you guys. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is for oily to combination skin. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Don't quit your day job, right? Oh, it's already pretty even when you're just opening the box. Yes. Isn't it just pretty? Like, this is something to me that's just like pretty. The bottle's all like wavy and let's see. Does it smell like watermelon? So there it is. Oh, that went in very nice. And a little goes a long way. And it smells like watermelon. All right, let's see what they say. 90% of the Silky Glow moisturizer is spiked with vitamin and amino acid rich watermelon extract, plumping hyaluronic acid and soothing botanicals like peony and jasmine extracts. This cooling gel emulsion absorbs instantly to seal in hydration and prep skin for the day ahead. Antioxidants guard against free radicals and repair damaged cells along the way. Used morning and night, it drenches skin in luxurious, long-lasting moisture. $39. Yes, please, and thank you. So pumped. All right, and then we have something from Avant, Hyaluronic Vitamin C. What? I have no idea. Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Y'all, that is a mouthful. Is a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for face and targeted eye area, formulated with hyaluronic acid to deeply nourish your skin. It also combines signature ingredients to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. And it is, whoa, press the brakes, $134? Y'all, this better make me look like I am 12 years old. $134 for 1.69 fluid ounces for 50 mLs. I better put this on and wake up looking like I am 12 years old. Are you kidding me? Y'all ain't gonna recognize me next time I film because I'm gonna use this tonight and apparently I'm gonna, you know, woo, tighten stuff back up. All right, moving on. The next item is bubble wrapped. Thank you, Boxy. This is from Basic Beauty. And let's see. I can't even talk, y'all, after that. Basic Beauty Glowy AF Wet Glow Trio. Glow AF is a versatile multi-use highlight designed to be worn over makeup for a blinding, light-catching glow. Dab it with your finger or your fave brush across your brow line, collarbone, eyes, cheeks, or lips. The jelly texture is perfect for precise application. It applies wet and dries down, holding the pigment in place. $30. So that's a nice little mirror. And it even has like a nice little, with their logo, protector. No Spray Tans, Fiji, and Barbie Dream House. So here are your colors. So I'm not gonna swatch this. I'm not quite sure yet what I'm gonna do with that. But a glowy AF highlight palette. So I feel like we're getting a really good mix of skincare and makeup in this box. I feel like it's a good mixture. I'm very happy with that. All right, and then we have one more product. And yes. I know some of y'all may not feel the way I feel about this, but I'm getting Boxy Luxe, so I know I'm getting one of the Storybook Cosmetics palettes, okay? We know that that's happening. And that was an option in the premium, was to get like one of their little mini Storybook Cosmetic things. I didn't want that. I wanted the other palette, the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasure. Look at this. Doesn't that look so awesome? So, I'm so excited. Our Hidden Treasure palette includes 9 eyeshadows, perfect for creating a smooth transition between colors and or smoky effect. $50. Oh yes, of course, yes. All right, so it has a nice mirror, but you guys, these are my colors all the way. Like, I love this. I love the like scattered design of the palette. I just think, I mean, it's got such a good mix of mattes and shimmers. I just love this. I love it so much. So I am so excited with my BoxyCharm Premium for December 2019. This is the second month they've had it, the second month I have received it, and y'all, knocking out of the park is an understatement. They are killing it. So, Dose of Colors Hidden Treasure palette, the Basic Beauty Glow AF, I almost said it, Wet Glow highlight palette. This, I'm gonna turn back time in a tube, face and eye miracle. The Natasha Nona lip liner that I'm going to be putting into our holiday giveaway. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. So excited about that. And then the Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy. So I'm so excited. I love all of it. Let me know down below what you guys got. If you got the BoxyCharm Premium, are you on the waiting list? If you did get it, did you get the same stuff? Because apparently I got Variation 33, so there's a good chance you got something different. Guys, don't forget about those giveaways, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.